Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Dr. Lichumu Timuri, MBBS, MD Medicine, DM Cardiology. Dr. Ubasumar Klongsnam bat Kithitsnam. Und dang yakajing sumar na dukashitrik ulbeat arajar arfusan hawallan hospital Tyllong.
Kesorkar jela kelashim kia ban penmi biang palat nyuspa asap hui Tylli Tyllong bela terkong hakeleng ke jela kibla syakta na kadago jingkela hakasun meneng. Habakaran Chikilar Patai Kubor, Menteri Kesorkar Jela Ubakmi Tnat Public Health Engineering Marcus N. Marang, ulayat hu badang syan hakakat pratrik, badaka kandai tuk rempang arajar pausan, ulayat banyashim benta haka Second All India Water Ministers Conference kablalong handong ba Udaipur, haka boleh usngo bakaniga jing'e kamshim na jatang hakaniga jela Meghalaya, hendikla jaru wat chikiwe pat ke jela nakadaw ke jingkela kasun meneng. Unu Menteri Sarkar ulayat hu ba kadaw ke penlong yaki umpok liu bagi Tyllong bakin Rngad kedehi kadaw ke jingrab bura ke bagi nongrab kijuk hamle syarilum garu barahikat tu kenigi benta jeng ke West Khasi Hills.
Water sources drying up issue is related to the climate change impact. Because of the climate change, it is being happen everywhere. Very recently, 18th and 19th of February, we had a second All India Water Ministers Conference in Udaipur. There also, I've heard from all the state ministers. Everywhere it is happening. So it's an impact of climate change. So therefore, not only in Meghalaya, it's happening all over the country and all over the globe. Yes, of course, we have started taking corrective measures. It will, we will get a result after some of the couple of years after we will get the result. So we have started the rejuvenation of the springs and then water sources wherever it is drying up. And very recently, PHE department has identified 741 critical water sources. That water critical sources, as I have already discussed with you, told to you that under the Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Meghalaya has formed a climate council. So in that climate council, it has been decided that this particular critical water sources, which has been identified by the PHE department, is being corrective measures are being taken up for that matter. Most of the water sources, most of the GGM projects, you go and ask in the villages, wherever the villages are not getting water, it's because of the sources drying up. So we are taking all the measures, definitely, but it will take some time.
What is the reason for these sources getting dried up?
It's all because of the global warming. Most of the sources are drying up because the practice of, we practice June cultivations, and some of the sources in the uppermost part of the, places are affected with the kind of agriculture practices that is being done by our villages. Jum cultivation practically is practiced in Garo Hills mostly now, but in some portion of the West Khasi Hills also it is being practiced. Slogan already given by the Government of India, catch the rain where it falls. So we are following that principle, and then we are trying to rejuvenate our streams and sources.
So how is the promotion of water harvesting, rainwater harvesting?
We are looking into that aspect as well.
So is there any plan to increase the households?
We are planning to go for a rainwater harvesting. There are rainwater harvesting in two ways. One is to harvest for yourself inside your houses, and then other is to recharge the groundwater. So that also is being adopted now. Outcome, I have pointed out there in my speech. I was there to give a speech, and then my commissioner secretary also gave a presentation. I talked about the spring rejuvenation because only if we rejuvenate the spring sources, then only the rivers, the flow of the water in the rivers will be there. So they have already taken note of that. In the takeaways during the valedictory program, I was told that the takeaway of our proposal was this: spring rejuvenation was taken up.